3 key shoulder exercises will blow up your shoulders. Are you struggling to get that wide, powerful shoulder look no matter how many workouts you've tried? Well, today I'm going to show you the exact shoulder exercises that actually work for you, exercises that will blow up your shoulders, give you that strong V shape, and most importantly, keep your joints safe while doing it. In this video, I'll break down 3 powerhouse exercises that target every part of your shoulder, front, side, and rear, without wrecking your joints. Plus, I'll share some recovery and mobility tips that make all the difference. Let's dive in. 1. Seated dumbbell shoulder press. This is your primary builder for round, powerful delts. Sit upright, core tight, and press dumbbells overhead with a full range of motion, but stop just short of locking out. This keeps tension on your muscles and spares your joints. Use moderate weight and higher reps, 10-12 range, to stimulate muscle growth safely. 2. Dumbbell lateral raises. This move targets the side delts, the secret to width and that capped shoulder look. Keep your elbows slightly bent, raise the dumbbells just to shoulder height, and control the movement on the way down. Avoid swinging slow and controlled winds here. 3. Rear delt fly. Most men neglect their rear delts, but this is what gives your shoulders a full, balanced look. You can do this seated, bent over with dumbbells, or on a rear delt machine. Focus on squeezing the shoulder blades together, not just moving your arms. Strong rear delts also protect your shoulders from rounding forward, improving posture and stability. Here's the truth: anyone can build impressive shoulders, but only if they respect recovery. Always warm up your shoulder joints with arm circles or light resistance bands before training. Prioritize proper posture and slow, controlled reps over heavy weights. After your workout, stretch your shoulders and traps to maintain mobility. And don't forget, sleep, hydration, and nutrition are your secret weapons for growth. Add enough protein and give your body time to repair. That's where real progress happens. So, there you have it, 3 simple but powerful exercises that can transform your shoulders. Remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weight, it's about lifting smart, staying consistent, and allowing your body to recover. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Soulfully Simple Fitness, and turn on the bells so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Drop a comment below and let me know which shoulder exercise you'll try first. I'd love to hear from you.